Boo! Did I scare you? Well, no matter, because we're going to see lots of terrifying creatures on this special episode of Nature Show. And I know what you're thinking, hey, maybe it's not a good idea to, make a nature show since I got beaten up the last few times. No matter, because we're going on a special journey to find a wild Muppet. Today we focus on one that is very common this time of year, the Cookie Monster. Why are we looking for Muppets in the wild? Well, where do you think they get them from? They get from the wild. Yeah. There's like an entire forest right next to Sesame Street. They just take them and use them for, I don't know, public entertainment or something. I don't know, I never watched it. But anyway, here we go. On a great adventure. Follow me. Hey, cameraman, that's your cue to follow me. Alright guys, this is a perfect location. You can't see right now, but there is a wild Cookie Monster out in that field. But I may warn you, this is a bad time. During these times, food becomes more scarce. So, we kind of have to be careful. Or he could eat us. There it is now. Cookie? Cookie? Cookie! Cookie! Magnificent! Look at how amazing this creature is. He is searching for food even though there's a good chance none of the cookie plants have grown anything in a while. But he needs to gather food for hibernation. That's right, they hibernate. Well, unless they're domesticated, then no, they don't. Oh, what is it doing now? Cookie! Cookie. It appears to be trying to find a mate. Unfortunately, there are none here, so there's a likelihood it will probably die alone. Cookie. Okay, it appears to be doing something. I don't know. I think this one might be stupid. Cookie, 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 cookie. All right. While it's distracted with whatever it's doing, let's talk about how ugly this creature is. Cookie, say what? Just look at it. Look at its stupid mohawk. Cookie, cookie. It's a good thing I'm whispering, or else it will attack me right on the spot, right here, right now. What do you mean I wasn't whispering? Oh? Cookie. Oh, we better get running. Oh, no, run, run, run. Don't let it catch you. Run. Quickly, cameraman. This way, this way, this way. Oh, no. It's a dead end. Cookie. Hey, cameraman. It was nice knowing you. Cookie. Ah, get him off, get him off. Ah, ah, ah. Cameraman, why are you doing nothing? Ah, ah, he's not even trying to eat me anymore. He's just beating me up. Ah, why are you still beating me up?
You know it tastes good.
Oh, you think?
Ugh. Me tired. Me only beat you up because you make fun of Mohawk.
So?
You deserve it. Not you, cameraman.
But why doesn't the cameraman?
Because he did nothing wrong. He don't make fun of Mohawk. It is cool, Mohawk.
Okay.
If you make fun of Mohawk again, I know where to find you.
Okay.
Bye, cameraman. Cookie Mother. Rah.